Welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Artificial Intelligence and working with Mojahid Hossein. In the web browser, type office.com and log in with your email. Email should be an admin privileges. After login you will be landed to Microsoft 365 Admin Center. And click App Launcher, then you will see an admin in the menu. Click Users and Active Users. Search existing users. Then go to User Profile one by one. Then click Manage Contacts Information and go to Office or Department field and write your department or business unit name and save. Then go to Azure Active Directory. In the left side, click Groups and All Groups. Click New Group and fill the details. Membership type should be Dynamic User. After that, you will see in the bottom Add Dynamic Query. Click it will open Dynamic Membership Rules. Select Property. Physical Delivery Office Name. Go to Operator and select. Contains, then go to Value and write a value. Value should be the same as you put in user profile dot and then go to Validate Rules, Preview. Now you have to add any user who has same value as you mentioned in the value field dot and then click Save. Then click Create. So now your dynamic group has been created successfully. Now refresh the page and search your newly created dynamic group. Click Group and then left side. Click Member. You will see the only member who has the same value as you created. Now when you send email to this group, all the members will receive the email. Thank you for watching video. If you have any question related Microsoft 365 Admin Exchange Center, or Azure Admin, or Google Workspace, Super Admin, write a comments. I will create video for you. Do not forget to subscribe my channel.